Advantage deck tiles are hailed as the ideal tiles for DIY installation. Their creators claim that you can transform any space in just a day. Want to revamp your old concrete walkway? Consider decorating it with Brazilian natural wood tiles. Keep in mind, it's not a budget-friendly choice. A 50cm square tile, crafted from exotic Garapa wood, comes at a price of $19. However, the color only deepens over time. The manufacturer ensures mold and rot protection, and the installation is easy even for a single person. Plus, there's a series of step-by-step demonstration videos available.